Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Tonight we're going to look at commonEnd from array 1, and this is a Java solution. So the problem states given two arrays of ints a and b, return true if they have the same first element or they have the same last element. Both arrays will be length 1 or more. This line here is really important and I want to draw your attention to it. The problem is stated the length of the array, so we don't have to do any error checking, we don't have to worry about index out of bounds. And remember, index out of bounds are when we try and access an element in an array or a string that doesn't exist. So always watch for any type of information about the length of the array. Alright, so let's look at the examples. Here returns true because the last elements are equal. Here returns false because neither the last nor the first elements are equal. And here returns true because the first and the last elements are equal. So to do this problem, I'm going to make an integer called LA for length of A, and I'm going to say A.length, int LB equals B.length. And now I'm just going to write if statement. So I'm going to check if the first elements are equal. So I'm going to say if A at index 0, because remember, the first element is at index 0, is equivalent to B at 0, or A at, and remember the last element is always the length minus 1. So the index of the last element is the length minus 1. So that's LA minus 1 is equivalent to B at LB minus 1. And we're going to return true if either of them are equal. Otherwise, we return false. And I hit go, and it works. Okay, I'm just going to comment this here for a second. And then I'm going to highlight all of this. And that's how I kind of expect students who are just learning to do this, and now usually we try and tighten it up a bit, just to kind of practice our understanding, and it's fun. So the first thing I would do is I would get rid of this, and I'd actually say A.length and B.length. I can calculate the length directly inside the line there. I hit go, no problem. The second thing to kind of highlight is that because this if statement has a single line of code associated with it, I do not need the braces. If a conditional statement or a loop structure has one line of code, the braces are not necessary. Works fine. The last thing I would do here is I would observe that since this conditional statement, if it evaluates to true, I return true. If it evaluates to false, I return false. I'm actually then realize I can just return the Boolean expression. And there we go. So I hope this video helped. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me, whether you're a student of mine or someone just out there learning to code. I'm happy to help. Have a great day.